Hello and welcome to another edition of Autocar India Quick News, your weekly roundup of everything new in the automotive industry. Before we get started, a quick reminder to subscribe to the Autocar India channel and hit that bell notification icon to stay notified of all the new and exciting videos coming out. Having revealed the introductory starting price of the Harrier EV earlier this month, Tata Motors has now announced the full price list of the rear-wheel drive variants. Prices range between Rs 21.49 lakh and Rs 27.49 lakh ex-showroom India. However, these do not include the cost of a charger and the installation cost. The Harrier EV rear-wheel drive will be available with 65 kWh and 75 kWh battery pack options, and here's what the full price list looks like. Both the 65 and 75 kWh versions feature a single motor on the rear axle, producing 238 horsepower and 315 Nm. In terms of range, the 65 kWh battery pack delivers an ARAI range of 538 km, whereas the 75 kWh version delivers 627 km. Under Tata's internal C75 testing cycle, they deliver 420 to 445 km and 480 to 505 km respectively. The Harrier EV also scored a full 5-star BNCAP safety rating. The electric SUV scored full points in adult occupant protection, while in child occupant protection it scored 45 out of a total 49 points. Bharat NCAP tested the top spec Empowered 75 and Empowered 75 all-wheel drive variants, but the test ratings apply to the entire range. As standard, the Harrier EV comes equipped with 6 airbags, 3-point seat belts with reminders for all passengers, ESC and ISOFIX mounts. It also complies with AIS 100 pedestrian protection norms, and the Empowered trim gets an ADAS suite. The Harrier EV scored a full 32 points in the adult occupant protection, becoming the second SUV to secure maximum points, the first being the Mahindra XEV 9e. Both driver and passenger crash test dummies recorded good protection for all body parts, a rare occurrence in NCAP crash tests. It also secured an OK rating in the side pole impact test. In the child occupant protection, the Harrier EV scored 45 out of 49 points. It got full points in the dynamic test and the CRS installation test, and 9 out of 13 in the vehicle assessment test. Both the 18-month-old and the 3-year-old child dummies were tested in rearward-facing child seats placed in the front passenger seat, secured by ISOFIX mounts and a support leg. The Harrier EV gets ISOFIX mounts on the outboard rear seats but misses out on an integrated child restraint system. The Audi Q7 Signature Edition has been launched in India with prices starting from Rs 99.81 lakh. The limited edition model is based on the top spec technology trim and subtle cosmetic tweaks to the exterior and interior. The most notable additions to the Q7 Signature Edition are a dash cam and an espresso maker, both of which are genuine Audi accessories. It also gets a new puddle lamp with Audi ring projection, new dynamic wheel hubcaps, a darkened finish for the 20-inch alloy wheels, stainless steel pedal covers, and a new metallic cover for the key fob. The Q7 Signature Edition will be offered in 5 exterior paint shades: Saphir Gold, Viatomo Blue, Mythos Black, Glacier White, and Samurai Grey. Under the hood, the Q7 Signature Edition retains the familiar 3-litre V6 turbo petrol engine that produces 340 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic sending power to all 4 wheels, and it also gets a 48-volt mild hybrid assistance. Audi claims a 0-100 time of 5.6 seconds and a top speed of 250 kph. It also gets adaptive air suspension as standard. The Mahindra Scorpio N now gets a Level 2 ADAS suite priced from Rs 21.35 lakh. ADAS is only available on the top spec Scorpio N Z8L variant. The Z8L with ADAS, available in 6-seat and 7-seat configuration, is priced about Rs 46,000 higher than the previous Z8L variant. The Level 2 ADAS suite brings features like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane departure warning, lane departure assist, traffic sign recognition, and high beam assist. The Royce Spectre Black Badge has launched in India priced at Rs 9.5 crore before options. Bookings are now open at the brand's Chennai and New Delhi showrooms. The Spectre Black Badge is the most powerful Rolls-Royce yet and costs Rs 1.88 crore more than the regular Spectre. The Black Badge's dual motor setup produces 659 horsepower and 1075 Newton meters, an increase of 74 horsepower and 175 Newton meters. The additional power helps it shave 0.4 seconds off the standard EV's claimed 0 to 100 time of 4.5 seconds. However, the Black Badge has the same 102 kWh battery with the same WLTP range of up to 530 km. The chassis, steering and roll stabilization system have also been tweaked to handle the extra output while maintaining ride comfort. The Black Badge gets unique 23-inch forged alloy wheels and a new vapor violet paint finish. As is usually the case with Black Badge models, the Spirit of Ecstasy, front grille, door handles and badges are blacked out. It can also be optioned with an illuminated front grille and door sills. Inside, the Black Badge gets an illuminated fascia which comprises over 5,500 stars of varying sizes and intensity, set in a piano black dashboard. Additionally, there are 5 color themes for the driver's display and trim elements can be finished in either carbon fiber or metal. Indian Motorcycle, the other American cruiser manufacturer, has announced its price list for our market for the 2025 model year. The range starts with the Chief models, which have a starting price of Rs 23.52 lakh. The lineup consists of 6 separate variants, all of which are powered by a 1890cc air-cooled V-twin motor making 156 Newton meters, but have differing styles and cycle paths. Next, you have the Challenger models with a starting price of Rs 36.12 lakh. Available in 4 variants, the base models are powered by a 1768cc liquid-cooled V-twin making 178 Newton meters, while models with the 112 pack get a bigger 1834cc liquid-cooled motor with 181.4 Newton meters of torque. The next step up is to the Chieftain models, which start at Rs 37.11 lakh. It is available in 4 variants, 2 of which get an old-school 1890cc long-stroke air-cooled V-twin engine making 171 Newton meters of torque, while the rest get a 1834cc liquid-cooled V-twin making 181.4 Nm. After that, you have the Springfield models with prices starting from Rs 41.96 lakh. The Springfield is available in just 2 variants, both powered by the same 1890cc air-cooled V-twin motor. The penultimate model is the Pursuit, with prices starting at Rs 43.19 lakh and available in 4 variants. Just like the Challenger models, the regular Pursuit bikes are powered by a 1768cc liquid-cooled V-twin making 178 Newton meters, and the models with the 112 pack are equipped with a larger 1834cc liquid-cooled V-twin making 181.4 Nm. The flagship of the lineup is the Roadmaster with prices starting at Rs 48.49 lakh. It is available in 4 variants, all of which are powered by Indian's 1890cc air-cooled V-twin motor making 156 Nm. Almost every Indian motorcycle is available here on a made-to-order basis, and the brand is present only in 6 cities across India: Chandigarh, New Delhi, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Chennai and Kochi. In a move to enhance road safety, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways is likely to announce that all new two-wheelers sold in India from Jan 2026 must come equipped with ABS, regardless of the engine capacity. In addition, it will be mandatory for dealers to provide 2 BIS certified helmets with every new vehicle. The decision is expected to address a major cause of road fatalities in the country, especially among two-wheeler users. While the move is widely welcome, manufacturers have raised concerns over potential cost implications for entry-level models. For two-wheelers that require the addition of a front disc as well as single-channel ABS, customers could be looking at a price hike of roughly Rs 3,000 to Rs 5,000. And that's a wrap for Quick News this week. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next week.